Hello, dear friends, a warm and happy welcome to Smart Home Decor. This channel is made for people who believe that a home is not just walls and furniture but a feeling of comfort, calm, and happiness. If you enjoy simple living, peaceful interiors, and smart decor ideas that make everyday life more beautiful, then you are exactly where you need to be. Take a moment to subscribe to Smart Home Decor and turn on the notification bell so you can stay connected with our latest videos filled with relaxing home ideas and thoughtful design inspiration. Today we are going to talk about one of the most important areas of the living room, the TV unit wall. This is the space where mornings begin with the news, evenings and with movies, and weekends are spent laughing with family. Even though we use this space every day, we often do not give it the attention it deserves. But when designed thoughtfully, a TV wall can completely transform the mood of your living room and make your home feel more organized, warm, and welcoming. The TV wall is more than just a place to fix a screen. It sets the tone for the entire living room. It brings balance to the space and connect all other elements together. When someone enters your home, their eyes naturally move toward this wall. That is why the design, color, texture, and lighting of your TV wall play a big role in how your home feels. A well designed TV wall can make your living room look larger, brighter, and more peaceful. Let us imagine a modern TV wall designed with simplicity in mind. Visualize a smooth panel in a soft wood finish or a neutral tone covering the wall behind the TV. The surface is clean without heavy patterns, allowing the television to blend naturally into the space. Hidden LED lights glow gently from behind the panel, creating a soft halo effect. This lighting is not harsh and does not disturb the eyes. It makes the room feel calm, especially during the evening hours when the main lights are turned off. Below the TV, a floating cabinet holds essential items while keeping the floor area open and clutter free. Now think about a TV wall that uses stone or marble textures to create elegance. A marble finished wall in light shades like cream, grey, or soft white gives the living room a refined and luxurious feel. Thin metallic details in gold or bronze can be added subtly to enhance the look. Even simple marble patterns panel can create a rich appearance without high cost. This type of TV wall reflects light beautifully and adds depth to the room, making the space feel open and sophisticated. For homes with limited space, smart TV wall solutions work like magic. In a compact living room, every inch matters. Wall mounted units, narrow cabinets, and vertical shelves help save space while keeping everything well organized. Imagine a small living area where the TV fits perfectly into a custom designed wall unit. All wires are hidden, storage is neatly arranged, and the wall color is soft and soothing. Even a small space can feel comfortable and stylish when designed with smart planning. Traditional style TV walls still hold a special place in many homes. Wooden units with warm tones bring a sense of familiarity and comfort. Natural wood textures, simple detailing, and classic finishes create a welcoming atmosphere. This type of TV wall pairs beautifully with indoor plants, soft curtains, and warm lighting. The result is a living room that feels timeless, cozy, and full of character. Minimal design lovers often prefer TV walls that are clean and simple. A plain wall in soft neutral colors, a sleek TV, and a single shelf are enough to create a calm environment. This design avoids extra decoration and focuses on balance and clarity. When everything is placed thoughtfully, the space feels lighter and more peaceful. Minimal TV walls are perfect for people who enjoy quiet surroundings and clutter free living. Wall textures and wallpapers can completely change the look of a TV wall. Textured panel add depth and interest, while wallpapers bring personality and style. Brick patterns give a modern edge. Wood textures add warmth, and soft patterns bring elegance. Wallpapers are easy to maintain and can be changed whenever you want a fresh look. With the right choice, your TV wall becomes the highlight of the living room. Adding open shelves around the TV allows you to personalize the space. These shelves can hold books, decorative items, family photos, or small plants. When arranged neatly, they make the TV wall feel lively and meaningful. This approach turns a simple TV area into a space that reflect your memories and experience. Lighting is one of the most powerful elements in TV wall design. Soft backlighting reduces eye strain and creating a relaxing mood. Small spotlights can highlight textures and panels. Side lamps or hanging lights add character and warmth. Proper lighting makes the TV wall look beautiful at all times of the day and creates a cozy environment for relaxation. Families with children need TV walls that are safe and practical. Rounded edges and secure fittings are important. Storage units placed at lower levels make it easy to access items while keeping sharp edges away. Soft rugs and floor seating can make the TV area more comfortable for family gatherings. A child-friendly TV wall ensures safety without compromising on style. The TV wall is often the place where conversations happen, guests relax, and families spend quality time together. It should feel welcoming and comfortable. Soft color tones, natural materials, and balanced lighting help create this feeling. Your TV wall should support your lifestyle and make daily moments more enjoyable. Combining different materials like wood, stone, and metal can create a unique and stylish TV wall. Mixing textures add visual interest while maintaining harmony. Neutral colors work best for long-term designs because they remain timeless and soothing. Small decorative touches and greenery bring freshness and life into the space. Vertical and horizontal panel design can change the visual proportions of your living room. Vertical lines make the ceiling appear higher, while horizontal designs make the room look wider. These simple design tricks are very useful, especially in apartment and compact homes. A beautiful TV wall does not require expensive materials or complicated designs. With thoughtful planning, a simple elements, and a clear vision, you can create a stunning TV wall that fits your budget. Focus on comfort, cleanliness, and balance rather than heavy decoration. A peaceful home always feels more beautiful than a crowded one. At Smart Home Decor, we believe that every home should feel calm, warm, and inviting. Your living room is a place of rest, connection, and joy, and your TV wall plays an important role in shaping that experience. When designed with care, it becomes more than just a wall, it becomes part of your everyday happiness. As we come to the end of today's video, we hope these TV wall ideas inspire you to look at your living space in a new way. Small changes can make a big difference when done with love and intention. Take your time, choose what feels right for you, and create a space that truly feels like home. Thank you for spending your valuable time with Smart Home Decor. If this video brought you inspiration and calm, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. New videos filled with smart, simple, and relaxing home decor ideas are always on the way. Until we meet again, take care, enjoy your space, and keep turning your house into a home you truly love.